market. Flowers and baked goods. Beautiful vegetables and herbs.
Oh, I guess it is the first.
Check out the shiitake mushrooms. There are even a few crafts. And of course, it's the time of year when pumpkins are in season.